I'll be able to look very quickly and see how is price moving on average. So I can very quickly see we're either in a downtrend or an uptrend, or in some of these brief areas, like right here, that the market's just moving sideways. It's neither up or down, because the price might be moving down, but the moving averages are just flat. It also gives me a benchmark on my chart, so when I see price getting really far away from the moving average, that's when I can start thinking, well, we might be getting a reversal. In fact, the Dallas system uses some of those tactics. So I don't advocate changing moving average time frames because of the way I'm using the moving average. Hopefully that explained a little bit. Stephen asked, do point and figure charts have any merit in currency trading? Point and figure charts are actually very powerful. I haven't used them. When I was in the trading room, there was a guy, a trader, who used point and figure charts, and I saw the usefulness of them. I just, personally, in looking at them, I didn't study them well enough to really grab onto them. So yeah, they do take away some of the noise, and some charting platforms will actually make a point and figure chart. Let me see if Ensign will. I kind of forget. They've got so much stuff in here. No, they don't. Okay, I thought they might. I do know that at one point TradeStation would allow you to graph a point and figure chart. And there were a couple of CQG and some of the more expensive charting platforms will let you create a point and figure chart. But anyway, they are pretty rare. It's not very common because, again, what most people want is the push button kind of stuff, and with point and figure, you've really got to study. Wow, congratulations, Will. I started with $1,000 last week and now up over 200% in 2 weeks. Fantastic. That is fantastic. Yeah, the markets have been moving quite a bit. Make sure you send that in. Okay. Rick. Oh, thank you for the input. Casey, the webinars are not daily. We're doing them every week. Kevin, I've been researching some of the Raiding the Mountain announcements. News trading in general had gotten really, really popular, and the brokers, quite honestly, during the announcements, sorry, I saw William Pates. Thank you for clarifying, William. Not to deify you, Mac. Great. That's good. Don't do that. That's a big mistake. I'm just a guy. The brokers have really, I would say, are almost criminal in what they're doing as far as moving the spread, not filling orders. So during the news announcement, it gets to be really tough sometimes to get filled. That's why I took that off, because I've got to get in there and research and make sure that we've got some solid information out there. It'll take a little bit of time, but again, I want to make sure that when I'm putting something on the site that it's grounded in reality, and the current reality of the news trading changed drastically. Okay, last couple of questions here. Yeah, Will says the mountain still works well.